DoNotPay, iLegal Assistant Pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get legal tools wrong, assuming they're gimmicks, but the surprising truth is that DoNotPay offers practical, affordable solutions for everyday legal and administrative tasks. DoNotPay charges a subscription of around per year, giving unlimited access to its services. Platform can help with contesting parking tickets, cancelling subscriptions, creating legal documents, and even small claims guidance. Unlike traditional attorneys, DoNotPay automates repetitive tasks, saving time and money. For example, a user can contest a parking ticket in minutes using DoNotPay's generated letter, potentially saving hundreds. It also provides guidance for generating contracts, filing consumer complaints, and automating routine legal procedures without hidden fees. In conclusion, DoNotPay delivers value by automating legal and administrative tasks for low yearly cost. It's a smart, affordable tool for anyone who wants quick, efficient legal solutions without paying expensive lawyer fees for minor issues.